Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So viral shorts like TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts are all about fast attention, strong hooks, and engaging visuals. OpenArt helps you generate eye-catching clips, but virality comes from how you structure and edit them. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to create viral shorts using OpenArt in 2026. Okay, so first thing first, choose a viral idea. Okay, so start with a strong concept, types that work like before and after, transformations, storytelling, shocking visuals, relatable moments. Okay, so for example, AI transforms a normal room into luxury design. Okay, so write a strong hook like first 3 seconds, it equals everything, like for example, wait till you see this, or this changes everything, or you won't believe this. So hook is everything here. So plan short scenes, like break into quick parts. So we have hook, build up, payoff, and CTA. So keep total length like 10 to 30 seconds. Okay, so generate clips in OpenArt, like open OpenArt video generator. Okay, create short clips from 1 to 4 seconds each. So for example, we have here a prompt, like just for an example. Okay, cinematic transformations, transformations, dramatic lighting, before and after effect. Okay, so focus on movement, visual impact. Short clips equals better pacing. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.